If you are looking for Oppo A38 Test Point to reboot the device into BROM mode, then you have come to the right place. Test points are required in mobile repair and software troubleshooting, especially when the device is completely dead, locked, or not recognized by flashing to the tool in normal conditions. A test point is a special hardware point on the motherboard of the smartphone. By shortening the test points, you can force the device into BROM mode, which allows the repair tool to communicate with the phone at a deep level. It is very useful for this. What is the Oppo A38 test point? Many Oppo A38 5G devices face issues such as dead boot, system corruption, or FRP lock. In such cases, normal download or fast boot mode cannot work. When the Oppo A38 test point method becomes the only solution. With the help of the test point, you can force the device into BROM mode and repair it using tools such as SP Flash Tool, Hydra Tool, CMMTK2, Unlock Tool, or UMT. Without using the test point, these devices cannot detect the device when they are completely dead. Dead boot issues fixing, bypassing FRP lock, firmware flashing, IMEI and security partitions, data recovery operation. Oppo A38 test point image. The following image will mark the pinout to short the pinout and successfully reboot your Oppo A38 5G to emergency download force BROM mode. Step-by-step guide to use Oppo A38 testing point. First, switch off the Oppo A38 completely and remove the back cover. Disconnect the battery connector for safety. Find the Oppo A38 test point on the motherboard. See the diagram above. Use a tweezer or jumper wire to shorten the test point on the ground. Connect the device to your PC using a USB cable. Open your mobile repair tool and use the function you want. This process is not easy, so only technicians with experience should try it. Running the test point incorrectly can cause permanent damage to the phone.